Okay guys, so this is something I used to play way back then as a teenager. That's after a particular song like we give you all the glory. Alright, so if I want to play something after the song, just to keep the whole worship session going on and all that till everything dies down, okay, this is something you can quickly play. And this is just a demonstration, it's not a breakdown. So if you know the breakdown, you can ask for it and I'll try my best to do it for you. Alright, so let's get started. So guys, I'm on the key of E flat major, so let's start with the song.